Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make sugar candy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar, which forms the foundation of our sweet treat. Next, measure out 2/3 of a cup of light corn syrup. This helps prevent crystallization and gives the candy a smooth texture. Finally, have 3/4 of a cup of water and a small pinch of salt ready. These basic items are all you need to begin your candy-making adventure. Now let's get cooking. Combine your 2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of corn syrup, 3/4 cup of water, and the pinch of salt into a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Carefully insert a candy thermometer, ensuring the tip does not touch the bottom of the pan. This setup is crucial for accurate temperature monitoring. The next step is all about precision. Allow the syrup to boil without stirring. Watch your candy thermometer closely as the temperature rises. We are aiming for exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. At this point, the sugar concentration is very high, and the candy will be brittle when cooled. As soon as it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately to prevent it from burning. Once off the heat, carefully pour the hot syrup onto a greased baking sheet or silicone mat. Be extremely cautious as the syrup is very hot. Allow the candy to cool completely and harden, which usually takes about 30 minutes. Once firm, you can break it into smaller, bite-sized pieces. This homemade sugar candy is perfect for a sweet treat or a thoughtful gift. Remember to check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.